Hi everyone, this week on Friction Friday we have the 2027 Kia Telluride. From busy weekday schedules to long highway road trips, the Telluride is built to handle whatever the day brings. With 3 rows of passengers, cargo in the back, and real-world driving demands, confidence behind the wheel starts with dependable stopping power. That's where DFC steps in. Our 5000 series advanced brake pads and GeoSpec coated rotors are engineered to deliver consistent response, smooth pedal feel, and quiet performance in a wide range of conditions. Whether navigating stop-and-go traffic or descending long stretches of highway, these components are built to maintain control without compromise. GeoSpec coated rotors add long-term corrosion protection, helping preserve performance and appearance through changing weather and road conditions. OE-specific designs ensure accurate fitment, making installation straightforward and reliable for technicians. The result is braking that feels stable, predictable, and ready for everyday life, not just ideal conditions. DFC brake components for the 2027 Telluride are available individually or as complete all-in-one kits, helping distributors manage inventory efficiently while giving service bays everything needed for a complete brake job. At DFC, we continue expanding coverage to support today's most popular SUVs, with solutions designed for durability, fit, and long-term performance. If you missed this week's Must Have Monday email, connect with your DFC sales rep or visit dynamicfriction.com to download the full sell sheet organized by make and model. And as always, stay tuned for next week's Friction Friday to see what we're launching next.